Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is a little two-part video. Somebody wanted to know how they could make a five-sided pentagon with 5-inch lines. So if we take the parallel dimension tool, and I just drew that pentagon and held down the control button, I'm going to go from that node to that node, and you see we're 4.79. With your ratio locked, let's increase this to 110.5 and we get 5.01. So let's go 110.4. And now you have 5-inch sides equally. So we grab another one. You're going to have 5-inch. Well, I didn't hit it on the mark very good. I didn't go from the node to the node because it is 5 inches. So then they wanted to put circles. So you evenly spaced and on the corners. So you need to divide it, you need to have 5, let's say 5 times 5 is 25. So you've got the two circles, go to Effects and blend 23 times because we've already got 2. So those 2 plus 23 make 25 and hit Apply. Go down here to New Path, put on New Path, and then go blend along full path. And now you have a circle on each corner and 4 in the middle. Pretty cool. And then if you want just the circles, go up to Object and break Blend Apart, select it again, which you don't really have to because it was already selected, and ungroup, and then take away your polygon. And you can always tell when you're checked on something, right down here, polygon with 5 sides on layer 1. So now you have these circles that are made into a 5-sided polygon. I don't know what they're doing, but there would be the answer. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.